In this video, I will guide you on how to fix screen rotation not working on Android. The first thing you want to do is restart your phone. So go ahead and hold the power button and then tap on the restart option. After your phone has restarted, now check if the issue is fixed. Restarting your device is going to fix minor bugs and glitches most of the time. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you have turned on the auto rotate. For that, you want to swipe down from the right side and open quick panel. Now find the option of portrait. Now find this icon right here and tap on it. Tap on it until it says auto rotate. So make sure that you have turned this option on. Once you have turned on auto rotate, now you want to check if that is working. If it is still not working, you want to check for system updates. For that, open up settings. Scroll all the way down and find software update. Now tap on download and install. Here you want to check if there is any available updates. If there is, you can simply update it to the latest version. Outdated software can break rotation features. Next, you want to check if it is an app issue. Some app is going to restrict this feature. For example, in Instagram, you're not going to find the rotation option. So you want to test rotation in other apps such as YouTube and Photos first. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.